Welcome once again. This time I'll be showing you how to sketch a parabola. You know that a parabola has this expression here, y is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, and this is what you need here. First, you need the x-intercept. It has to be somewhere around here, somewhere along this horizontal line here, and then you need the y-intercept. It will be around this vertical line here. You also need the turning points, and then the shape must be of a parabola. And yeah, and then one thing you must know, I believe this you know from grade 10 or grade 11, that when a is positive, your parabola will smile like this, and then if your a is negative, it will frown like this. This is something that you must know from that we must have known from grade 10 or 11. And yeah, let's move on to some example. It says here, sketch a graph of x squared minus 3x minus 4. The first thing you do is find the y-intercept. So you let x is equals to 0, and when x is equals to 0, y is equals to negative 4. So these are the coordinates of the y-intercepts, 0 and negative 4, or 0, negative 4. And for the y-intercept, you let y is equals to 0, you solve for x. Some, when we get to this step, they might use the quadratic formula. Some might use completing the square. Some might use a factoring method. It doesn't matter which method you use, we get the same answer of 4 and negative 1. So these are the x-intercepts. And then let me remove this here. We have the turning point. I think there are 3 or more formulas that you can use to calculate the turning points. Some use y is equals to negative b over 2a, and some might use the average roots, the average of the roots. Remember that the turning point is between the two roots there. And yeah, even if you use y is equals to negative b over 2a, you still get 3 over 2 as your x turning point. To find the y turning point, you have to substitute 3 over 2 into the original equation which are given here. Where you see x, you put 3 over 2, and then you will get an answer of negative 25 over 4. And then, yeah, you just plug it here. You start with the y-intercept, which is around here. It was negative 4. Here, 0, negative 4. So the y-intercept is around here. And the x-intercept is 4 and negative 1 here. 4 and negative 1. 4 is around here, and negative 1 is around here. And then the turning points, 3 over 2 is 1.5. It's around here. And negative 25 over 4 is about negative 6.25, I believe. And then, yeah, you just join the points here. Sorry about that. You just join the points here. And then, yeah. Like that here. I am holding a phone on one hand. That's why this shape does not look very nice. So this is how you will draw it. You need the x-intercepts, the y-intercepts, and the turning points. So this is how you sketch a parabola. I will see you in the next video where I will show you how to sketch a hyperbola. See you there.